Welcome to Scout Automobile, and today we're diving into one of the most thrilling returns in the American automotive world, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427. The Impala has always held a special place in the hearts of muscle car enthusiasts, and with this latest model, Chevrolet is proving that the legend is far from over. The Impala SS 427 is not just a revival, it's a rebirth of pure American muscle, designed to dominate the streets, the highways, and even the future of performance driving in the United States. The 2026 Impala SS 427 immediately makes an impression the moment you see it. The design is bold, muscular, and unapologetically aggressive. From the wide stance to the sculpted lines running across its body, everything about this car screams power. At the rear, the quad exhaust setup and a diffuser inspired by race cars let everyone know this machine means business. The Chevrolet body sits proudly above the S427 badge, reminding you of the heritage it carries. And with its glossy jet black finish combined with aerodynamic curves, it's both sinister and sleek, a car that demands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2026 Impala SS 427 houses a beast that stays true to its name. The legendary 427 cubic inch engine has been reimagined with modern technology. We're talking about a naturally aspirated V8 delivering a staggering 650 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed manual transmission for purists who want that raw connection to the road. For those who prefer convenience, Chevrolet also offers a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic that ensures seamless gear changes and maximum acceleration. With this setup, the Impala SS 427 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, placing it right in the league of today's supercars. Yet with the heart of a true American muscle machine, performance is more than just speed, though, and Chevrolet has engineered the chassis to handle all that power. A new adaptive suspension system, magnetic ride control, and a limited slip differential ensure maximum grip and stability at any speed. The steering is precise, giving drivers confidence whether they're carving through winding mountain roads or cruising down the interstate. Brembo high-performance brakes sit behind massive 20-inch alloy wheels, guaranteeing that stopping power matches the insane acceleration. Step inside the cabin, and you'll notice how Chevrolet has blended heritage with cutting-edge technology. The driver-focused cockpit keeps things simple yet sophisticated. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching pay homage to classic Impalas, while a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster gives you every bit of performance data you could ask for. A massive infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Chevrolet's new AI-powered assistant, which learns your driving habits and preferences to make every journey smoother. Ambient lighting, customizable driving modes, and a thundering premium audio system make the interior both comfortable and exhilarating. Safety and technology are equally important in the 2026 Impala SS 427. It comes standard with advanced driver assistance features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. But unlike some modern cars that feel overloaded with tech, the Impala balances safety without taking away from the raw driving thrill. You're still the one in control. The car just makes sure you're always confident. One of the most exciting things about this Impala is how it blends old-school power with modern innovation. Chevrolet has also integrated hybrid assist technology in some trims to boost efficiency without compromising performance. This mild hybrid system provides an extra torque boost when needed, making acceleration even more ferocious while improving fuel economy. It's Chevrolet's way of preparing for the future while staying loyal to the muscle car spirit. And of course, the heritage of the SS 427 badge is impossible to ignore. Back in the 1960s, the Impala SS 427 was a symbol of dominance, a car that represented freedom, rebellion, and raw American power. By reviving this nameplate, Chevrolet isn't just selling a car, they're selling nostalgia with modern performance. It's a car built for enthusiasts who want to feel connected to history while experiencing the future of driving, the 2026. Chevrolet Impala SS 427 also comes with customization options that allow owners to make the car truly their own. From bold exterior colors like jet black metallic, torch red, and arctic white, to optional carbon fiber packages that reduce weight and increase aerodynamics, there's something for every personality. Inside, you can choose between a classic, muscle-inspired layout or a more futuristic, tech-heavy design. It's proof that Chevrolet wants this Impala to appeal to both the old-school fans and the new generation of drivers on the road. The Impala SS 427 delivers an experience that's nothing short of addictive. The roar of the V8 is tuned to perfection, reminding you of classic American muscle while filling you with adrenaline every time you hit the throttle. At highway speeds, it's smooth and composed, but the moment you push down on the gas pedal, the beast within awakens, throwing you back into your seat and leaving everything else in the rearview mirror. Chevrolet has priced the Impala SS 427 competitively, starting at around $65,000 in the United States, which makes it an incredible value considering the performance, technology, and heritage you're getting. Higher trims with carbon fiber, hybrid assist, or track-focused options can push the price closer to $85,000. But even then, it remains more affordable than many European rivals while delivering equal or greater performance. In the end, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents the return of an icon, a car that captures the essence of American muscle while embracing the demands of modern performance and technology. Whether you're a longtime Impala fan or someone discovering the brand for the first time, this machine is built to thrill, inspire, and dominate. So, as Chevrolet says, the legend is back, and it's louder, faster, and stronger than ever. The Impala SS 427 is here to reclaim its throne, proving that true American muscle never dies, it only evolves.